Can something good come out of the Almajiri? Yes. And it is already happening. These kids begin their day with Quranic and Arabic studies.
English is just a means of communication. It does not stop you from learning anything.
Before moving into hands-on training at New Horizons Nigeria, from the streets to the lab, purpose replaced uncertainty. In just 3 weeks, they can already build inverter batteries, repair touchlights, fix rechargeable fans, and resolve basic phone faults.
Because he fixed my power bank, I'll be the first client to pay him money. So this is your first money as a computer technician. You can fix inverter battery. You can fix UPS now.
Yes, sir.
Wonderful.
Next week, they begin laptop repairs. 6 more skills to go. They receive meals, tools, logistic support, and most importantly, dignity. This proven model previously implemented during the amnesty program under Umar Musa Yaradua blends tech skill with Islamic knowledge to raise disciplined, skilled youth. This solution is not force, it is opportunity.
Mustafa couldn't speak English, but today he can repair telephone. Oh wow, you did this one here?
Yes.
Amazing. So you are able to fix this one? All the teams have fixed this one?
Yes.
So what do you now tell people on the street who still beg for money? What do you want to tell them?
And make your own so that you cannot beg another person's place. But if you try to make your own by yourself, good.
Help us take more Almajiri off the streets and into technology.
For partnership, visit www.almajiri-to-tech.com.